The first thing you want to do when you go to your database is get rid of all your distractions, whatever they may be. Facebook, Gmail, Skype, etc. Make a new tab. Andrews. And you can basically just type in andrews.edu/library if you want. That's the quick way. I just did the long way, so sorry. Okay, articles and databases is where you want to be. It will prompt you to log in. You log in, and then ISI has basically 3 sections. There's the Science Citation Index, then you have the Social Sciences Citation Index, as well as the Arts and Humanities Citation Index. Web of Science includes pretty much everything, and it searches all of those. Web of Science looks like this, and you know, there's whatever here. So let's go ahead and just type in something. You can type in oil spill, or be more original and put in plankton. We're going to look up at plankton. There's actually 12,000 articles that deal with plankton. As you'll notice here, November 15 hasn't actually happened yet. So, well, some stuff just gets published ahead of time. Let's go ahead here and type in Andrews University. You can go from there and go ahead and put address. This goes ahead and shows various articles that have something to do. So I guess some contributors might have been from Andrews University with these. We could say 2003. You could see that there's over 1 million articles. It would take a really long time to read those all. Date, and then I put and astronomy. You can change this to or not. That's more if you have 2 different titles. Astronomy, not astrophysics, or astronomy or biology. You can do that if you're doing some other research things. So 2003 articles relating to astronomy, it pulls up 147 different results. It's not very exciting. So if we go ahead and change the year to a topic, and then put astrophysics or astronomy and title, give it a date range from, let's go back. And there's also this, you can keep that on. If you want to be super specific, you can turn this off. 8,000 results since 1994. Okay, here's an article that has been cited 164 times. If we were to click on that, it takes us to all the articles that cite that. We can create a citation report. The analyzation of this database is pretty interesting. It has pretty much pages and pages of data that it compiles into these various graphs. Another cool thing you can do is analyze results. So here I've taken tobacco just for the point of analyzing. And I'll show you here, you can analyze authors, document types, etc. Here I'm going to go check out funding agencies, because I want to see who is funding some of these articles on tobacco. It can process the results here, and you can see that, okay, well, this National Cancer Institute has done these articles, or oh, here's Cancer Research of UK. Okay, if I want to just do the NIH and the National Cancer Institute, I can select those, and then I can hit Save analysis data to file. That will give me a text record, which it actually is pretty pointless because it doesn't really have much information. It would kind of be better if it was an Excel file, but hey, you can save that information. Okay, so whenever I click on an article, it comes up, okay, well, here's the abstract, cited references. This article has 93 cited references, keywords, addresses. On some of those, especially on the bigger articles, this address list will be pretty long, and you can contact almost any of the professors or contributing professors to the article. Another thing you can do under the abstract and description is click the citation map, and that brings you up into an area that lets you explore the citations in a creative graph. You can do forward, backward, or forward and backward. Now, it will show up like this on the computers in the library. If you have a general topic that you want to explore, let's say leadership or leaders, etc., just add an asterisk to whatever your topic is. It varies on the system. Just look at here for whatever symbol is implied on the system and use that. That way when you search, it brings up anything having to do with leaders, leadership, anything along those lines. Okay, so there was search. There's also author search. So if I would like to write in here a certain author, I can just be like, okay, well, this is the author's name. It brings up exactly that author. I can do cited reference search as well, and I can put in the reference here, select author, work, year, volume, issues, pages, title, etc. There's also an advanced search. There's also a search history as well, and I can go back over what I've searched and edit the sets, combine them, or delete them. So pretty much that's everything, and have a nice day. Goodbye.